Pollock Home Lifts expertly design and manufacture a range of lifts that help people stay in the home they love. Our elegant home lifts are simple to operate and easy to install in almost any home. With over 38 years' experience, we bring you UK-made quality and affordability. Our compact lifts maximise your living space, are whisper quiet and fit seamlessly within your home. With their simple one-touch controls, they're easy to operate too. Customise your home lift with many bespoke options, including a range of colours, a fold-down seat and a full colour display. Pollock Home Lifts are British Standard certified with the Trustmark seal of approval, have a 12-month guarantee and backup power. Enjoy where you live, now and in the future.